Welcome to the year 2026, and welcome to the D&D Gardening channel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Here's your gracious host, Dee.
Good morning, everyone. This is Dee with D&D Gardening, and welcome to our channel. Today is Wednesday, January 7th, and it is 9:53 a.m. What I am going to be doing in today's video is I'll give you a first tour. You've already had one, but I'm going to give you another one of what's growing on in our backyard, and I am also going to spray BT on my cabbages. So come along with me. Oh, I also have something that I'll talk to you guys about when I come back. So come along with me. I set my mop out here to dry. It's time to go in the house now. Just add some water. And it doesn't take a lot of water, which is a good thing, because I don't have that much growing out here right now. I need to take those in the house because it's time to be planting some more seeds. I need to buy some more BT. All right, come on, open. There we go. I think that was probably a tablespoon amount. Okay. This is the fun part. My husband has a backpack sprayer. I'm going to take from him. My apologies for this noise. All right, let me reposition you. This weather has been really bad. I say bad. Unpredictable, as always. Because you don't know. One day it's 80 degrees out, and then the next day it's 40. And they even had the audacity to say one day we were going to get snow. I'm like, I don't think so. But okay. If y'all think that's going to happen, I'll believe it when I see it. I'm also spraying under the leaves as much as I can. Ooh, that's going to be a big cabbage head. And these are in 5-gallon grow bags, I believe. All right, those are done. Now, what I wanted to talk to y'all about is that there are going to be some big changes coming soon with our channel, and I am so excited about it. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is now. You'll just have to wait and see. But I am tickled pink about it. And a little scared at the same time. If that makes sense to anybody. Now these are different leaves, so I don't believe that this is cabbage. I've never seen a cabbage grow like that. It looks like a collard. Surprise will hopefully happen within the next 4 to 6 weeks, maybe 8 weeks. And it's taken a lot of preparation for the surprise. When the sun does come out, it is beating up these cabbages on this end. Those over there that are basically, for the most part, shaded have no sun damage, but these leaves have some. But the change is for the better. So we are really excited about it. Now I got to get these on this side.
To help the channel grow, kindly give us a like, comment, share, and a subscribe. We greatly appreciate your efforts.
Now, as you can see, I'm giving this a really generous spray because I don't want anything other than us eating my veggies. All right, I think I got everybody sprayed. Yep. So I'm going to take this off now, but I'm going to release whatever pressure is left in here. sit there. But I need this to go in the house with me. Those need to be washed. I'll take care of those another time. Because, I am so sorry, y'all. I am way all up in your face. And I was not meaning to do that. Take y'all off the tripod and we're going to do our tour. Okay, so as you saw, those are my beautiful cabbages. Look at this one. That one's going to be a big head. And then there's this other one right there. Those are going to be some big cabbages. And they're growing in grow bags. And these are my other cabbages. Like I said, I thought I had kohlrabi in here, but I don't, because I should have seen some kind of nub or something from the kohlrabi growing, and I don't see any of that. I have that marked as kohlrabi, but I believe that is a collard. I'll have to use my app to find out what it is. But these cabbages are looking marvelous. Even the ones that I planted, not right there, but the little seedlings that I purchased, they are doing well. And the one that I told y'all that, remember, I broke it and I just stuck it back in the ground even though it wasn't connected to excuse me, any roots. This is it right here, growing just as happy as he please. So I'm pretty proud of that. I'm actually really surprised because I thought it was not going to make it. This is the sun damage I was talking about. You see how those are turning brown? I didn't pull them off. I probably should, but I don't want to hurt them, even though that's hurting them. I'll probably come back and pull them off when I have my gloves on, since I just sprayed BT. Okay, we know this is still empty. The peas, they look like they're trying to perk back up. I was giving up on them because they looked really bad. I mean, really bad. They were all soft and mushy, but I just left them alone. And they're seeming to bounce back. I'm not going to do the trellising thing. I don't, because I'm still not sure if they're going to make it. And there's some weeds in there that I need, well, grass in there that I need to pull out. So those are I was about to say peaches. Those are the peas. Here are my carrots. I have not looked at the carrots yet to see how they're doing. I think I'm going to leave them until the middle of the month, and then I'll probably pull one just to see how they're doing. But there they are. The greenery is abundant, so we'll have to wait and see come the middle of the month. And over here are my turnips, and they are looking well. They haven't gotten any bigger, so I may have to just pull them. And I know it's dark, but you guys see that one? Or those, because there's, I think that's some, I can't see what I'm pointing at. Okay. Mr. Leaf, will you move? There's two and some little ones. There's one. There's one that's next to that one. Let's see, here's one. And I know I'm going fast, I'm sorry, y'all. So that's it for the turnips. So they're looking pretty good. Now my camera's too bright. Maybe if I go in the shade, it'll go back to the right saturation, because there ain't that much sun on. Well, anywho, so that is it for today's, well, for this video. I have another video I need to shoot, and I'm going to do that when I get back in the house. But it's actually an absolutely beautiful day out here today. I don't know what they said the temperature is supposed to get up to. Let's see. The temperature is supposed to be 81. It's going to be supposedly 81 today, 81 tomorrow, 73 on Friday, and then we're dropping down to the 50s on Saturday and Sunday. That's why everybody's getting sick. This weather is just constantly changing, and nobody knows how to work with it. So we're all getting sick. And then they got this thing I call the super flu. You know what? The flu is just not good by itself. So calling it the super flu, I'm scared. As long as it's not C19. But anywho, again, keep watching our videos because we've got something huge coming up very soon. And I can't wait to show you guys. Can't wait. Can't wait. So, thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to all of the new subscribers. And I love you, love you, love you, subscribers that have been with me for a long time. Thank you guys so much for coming back. And if anybody else out there is sick, I hope you are feeling better. I hope you get well. And I also hope that you had a wonderful new year. Thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your fifth time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. So until I see you on the next one, take care. Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.